PSL Pulse bafethu is the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Magesi 0. I'm joined by
igama lami uBenji mfethu ngiba khona la eMsotra eNaledi.
From Enaledi out here. Okay mfethu. Asile ngeke yafana mfethu ibona kanjani?
First of all ne ngizocala ngokuthi happy belated birthday ku Dr. Ivan Khoza. Secondly ngicela uku-appreciate wonke amabhakaniya bazile esigodini. Happy New Year to all the Orlando Pirates fans bafethu. Happy New Year compliment. Mangize gaming akembe mnandi mfethu. Marvelous, excellent. Just manje 100% I'm happy mfethu. Wonke umuntu bekade I was very happy.
Mamela mfethu, mamela ne. I-draw yesikhukhune actually made people to doubt our coach. What would you say to amabhakaniya?
Matsapegana la first round Mastali League we lost to Kukune, we lost to Marumo Galanta my first games. This year 2026 footy we lost the draw first game against Kukune, which means it's a sign of good things. If we're winning Kukune, I think it's gonna be a different story. But draw Kukune, I'll take it as a blessing in disguise. I'm happy to draw Kukune. Now season is first leg is Shaili. It's Vulinya as a drawer. It means a sign of good things. I'm happy for Namtanji's result.
Thank you for it. So I'm looking at today's game there. Yeah. Man of the match, like a player that impressed you.
So niggas number 8 Naska Mashalela. Interview featuring us favors. Uma Ketel Macau Naska Mashalela Putomtal. That's my man of the match out here.
Mamela Mamel. This season, we sell in Nedbank Cup, we sell in a league.
So in the league.
In one not in Nedbank Cup, one not in league.
Iliki Putomtala Saitata number 1. In Nedbank, ngicela laba person Nedbank yethu ngicela basikhoriyele yona either ngeRem or ngeTSV or ngeKorea Eat but ngicela basikhoriyele yona ngeke mfethu ne nge-18 February ne laba nge-18 February ngicela basi-emailele 3 points yethu ne laba nge-28 February ngicela basi-emailele 3 points yethu but iNedbank yethu ngicela basikhoriyele yona mfethu basikhethele ukuthi TSV or noma iRem basikhoriyele yona basikhethele mfethu ngiyahleli khona i-wrong le Nedbank.
Last question. Orlando Amstel Arena has just been launched. You feel kanjani about this whole atmosphere? Yeah, Amstel Arena.
Yabonile Camel Arena. Mina Putomtala ngibheka wonke ama league yawo La Liga Bundesliga. iBayern Munich idlala e-Allianz Arena. Yamthola Putomtala. Well ku Dr. Ivan Khoza siyabonga futhi Arena Allianz ne but mina bengisho ukuthi ngabuthe Orlando Amstel Istanbul. Shithi manje yabo sesathe Turkey. Best stadium in the world. Lebo mina bathi Orlando Amstel Istanbul. But Arena will take it.
Ngiyabonga Phakaniya.
Champions League. Dla number 1.
Thank you Fethu. Please bafethu.
Anibusise bafethu ne. Isiphatheni kahle niphushe bafethu. God bless siyabonga.
Subscribe, please subscribe bafethu PSL Pulse. Danko.